Hey there, it's so nice to see you again. Today I'm gonna show you Bharwan Mirchi recipe. It is one of the dishes that you will never forget. Bharwan Mirchi literally translates as a stuffed pepper. It's so tasty, so delicious, and in addition it's very easy to make. Perfect as an appetizer, and it will complement the main dish beautifully. I am using green paprika peppers that are not very spicy, not very hot, but you can use any colored peppers and select rather more sweet than very spicy. So let's begin with our preparation of filling to stuff with our peppers. Did I say in the beginning that it's very easy to make? Sorry. This is the ASAFOETIDA which I am using. By the way, ASAFOETIDA. By the way, ASAFOETIDA has lots of medical values. According to Ayurvedic studies, it is used for breathing problems, including chronic bronchitis and asthma. It is also used for digestion problems, including intestinal gas, upset stomach, irritable bowel syndrome, and so many more. Incredible. It is just incredible. Thanks for hanging out with me. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.